Express the fractions with a single denominator. Our topics indice and algebraic manipulation. Let's start. Look, here is two fraction. One is m plus 1 whole square divided m square minus n square plus m square plus mn divide n square minus mn. Okay, now what can we do? Look, so what can I do? First, this m plus n whole square we can write m plus n into m plus n. Okay, and this one we can write m square minus n square, we can write m plus n into m minus n. Okay, and here we can do one thing. Here is n square minus mn. We can little change this one, like first this numerator, if we take common m, it will become m plus n, and this side if we take common n, it will become n minus m. It's not looking so good, so we can exchange this one, minus if we take common, so it will become mn minus n square. Okay, now look, here is we can cut m plus n and m plus n, it will become m plus n divide m minus n, and here is this plus and minus become minus, and here m into m plus n, and here if we take common n, so here is m minus n. Okay, so these two fraction we take LCD, so it will become m minus n into m minus n. LCM is n into m minus n. So here is m minus n and n minus n, so balance is n, so n m plus n, and here is only m into m plus n. Hope you understand this one. So here is n into m minus n, so if we multiply this one, m n plus n square, and here is m square minus m n. So we cut this one, mn and minus mn. So what will be the thinking here? Here is n square minus m square. Okay, so this one also if we take minus common, so m square minus n square, and here is n m minus n. Okay, so we can write here, so here is minus m plus n and m minus n, and divide n m minus n. So m minus n and m minus n cross, the answer is minus m plus n divide n. Hope you understand this one. This one also we can write minus m minus n divided n. Okay, hope you understand. Thank you very much.